Excuse this. You'll see. My wrapping paper. This stuff. Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute. So, I'm very excited. Why is that an iPhone 12 box? Cool. No, I don't want to open it. Fucking put it in. What? I'll be right back.
Gotta wash your hands because Corona. And I don't want to make my phone messy, of course.
Wait. Excuse all these weird parts. Anyway, here it is. I really do not want to touch it. We got the charging cord and this thing. Bro, this is literally the iPhone 12 box. Because it doesn't come with a thing. Wait. Anyway, Bella. We're gonna open this first. Oh my god, yes, there's an Apple sticker. Wrong way. And then you already know what comes in here. What the fuck freak is this? Yeah. And then on here, that's yeah. Come here. Okay. So we're gonna do a setting up video 2. Shut up, people. Well, I can't show you, but I can't at the same time. Oh my god. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my case and screen protector shit. Hold on. So, get your screen protector. I just got a clear case because, like, why not? Shut up, Alex. You know who you is. Why you be like that? Hold up. Wait. No, I'm not taking that off. Is it? I don't know what to do, bruh. Just gonna. Just gonna wait on that so I can put the kit. Why you be like that? Ew. Okay. I'm just not used to this because I have the 7. So I'm just going to put it in the case. No, I'm not going to do that. Oh, I smeared my fingers all over it. See this? We're going to put